Hello and welcome to Recipe of the Week. My name is Richard and I am an intern from UIC. This week we are making jicama, carrot, and orange slaw. This dish is high in potassium, vitamin C, fiber, beta-carotene, and other antioxidants. For those who have never used jicama before, it is similar to a less sweet apple. First, we are going to wash our hands thoroughly. Then, we are going to wash and scrub the jicama, carrots, oranges, and lemon. Next, we are going to prepare each ingredient. We're going to start by using a vegetable peeler on the carrots. Then, we're going to shave off the skin of the jicama using a knife, followed by extracting the fruit of the orange. You want to remove as much of the fibrous parts as possible and cut them into small pieces. Next, you want to use a grater to shred the carrots. They should look like this. We will do the same with the jicama. Add them all to one bowl. Now we're going to make our dressing. In a small bowl, combine the olive oil, orange juice, salt, lemon juice, and honey. Mix well. Add your dressing to the jicama, carrots, and oranges. Toss using 2 spoons, making sure to coat everything with the dressing. Serve in a bowl and enjoy.